Oh, hi guys. Welcome to our vegan kitchen. You know, it's getting close to the end of Veganuary.
You don't say.
I do.
We know.
So we have another one of those, hey, let's try and make something video today. So we're going to be making New York State veggie patties. I mean, we've got California veggie burgers, right? Why not New York State veggie burgers? What would be in a New York State veggie burger?
I don't know.
Veggies. My goal is to make a veggie burger that's basically just mostly veggies.
Okay.
No funky ingredients, no soy, you know, nothing like that.
So like a Dr. Prager type.
Yes, exactly, like a Dr. Prager type.
Okay.
So I've already started by roasting some potatoes here. Were in the oven for an hour and they're soft. So I'm just gonna perform a little surgery on these and remove their skin.
Ooh.
And keep the inside because I feel like that's gonna be a good base for our New York State veggie patty. And then I've also cut up some scallion, some carrot, some mushroom, and I've got some peas and corn over here because if it's good enough for California. And then I have some seasoning. So let's turn on our little tiny saute pan.
Oh, cute.
I know, right? And yeah, we're not SOS free, so we're going to use a little bit of olive oil because extra virgin olive oil will add a little bit of flavor. And
What level of heat is this?
this is medium high.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna start by sauteing the veggies because the problem with veggies in veggie burgers or veggie patties, when the veggies cook, they give off water and that makes it soggy. And we don't want any soggy bottoms. We want nice, meaty, flavorful, that will hold together veggie patties. So let's just sweat down these veggies a little bit and get rid of some of their water.
No dumpies.
No, this is very...
This is dangerous.
Yeah. Can she do it? Nope.
Oh no!
We lost one.
It's gonna catch on fire.
Is it?
I don't know. Scared.
Scared. No, it's gonna be fine. Okay. It'll just, it's lost, but it's not forgotten.
Oh.
So this is going to take a couple minutes. We're just going to cook these down. Alright kids, I've skinned my potatoes.
Ooh.
I've sweated down my veggies. I'm going to add in some frozen peas. And some frozen corn.
It's such a pleasing sound.
Isn't it? I love these containers too. They're really good because they stand up.
Mm-hmm.
And who doesn't like a stand-up container, right, Lala?
What?
You know, Rambo, he's a stand-up guy.
No, he's not.
Don't throw out your potato skins because they are delicious.
You can do other things with them.
You can, yeah. You can use them as dippers, dipping up some hummus and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to cook these until the peas and the corn thaw out and get a little soft. And wow, then we're almost ready to make our patties.
Whoa.
Exciting, I feel like.
Yeah.
And I'm actually having this for dinner tonight because I can't have pizza.
Oh. Well, hopefully this will be a winner.
I hope so. It's better be. Alright, that is just sitting. It's nice and dry. I meant to tell you guys, I think you should roast your potatoes, not boil them, because when you boil the potatoes to cook them, they suck up all that water and it's just going to make it super wet and soggy bottom. Alright, so let's add some flavorings. Let's add some nooch.
Ooh.
And if you don't know what nooch is, who are you? Why are you here?
Oh. Maybe they're new.
Well, if you're new, I forgive you. But if you're like...
It is Veganuary after all.
Yeah, you're right. Nooch is nutritional yeast. Oh, and I didn't make that recently, though. I should probably make a new one. Because I just got a label maker.
Ooh.
And it's fun. So we're putting in some nooch. We're gonna make it a little bit pretty. Actually, parsley tastes good too. So we're just gonna put in a little bit of parsley.
Ooh.
That was enough fun. Okay, now the rest is torture. We have some accidentally vegan steak sauce here, which is gonna give like a meaty-ish taste because I'm sure there's like liquid smoke in here. So we're gonna put some of this in, probably like a tablespoon. Whoa, no.
Maybe a little extra.
Yeah. I have some tomato paste because rather than put in wet tomatoes, which is going to make a soggy bottom, we're just going to go for the flavor with the concentrated tomato paste. So
I love the color of tomato paste.
I know, right?
So vibrant.
If you were to eat this though, you would say,
No, I love the color.
yeah. Smells nice too.
Yeah.
We're going to put in some garlic. Again, if you were to put in like regular garlic, it would just add to the, you know, not so much to the mushiness, but it's just another thing that's going to make it crumble.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to put in some sea salt.
Man, those veggies smell delish.
Don't they?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to put too much because I don't want to be drinking all night.
Yeah.
And, oh, I forgot my onion.
Oh.
Alright, and we're going to put in a little bit of onion. I always measure everything exactly.
Clearly.
Yes, I can't tell you how much that is though. Now let's add our veggies.
Mmm.
Alright, we're going to mix this. Hopefully we won't burn ourselves. Because it's, as you can see from the steam, quite hot.
Mm-hmm.
Even this spoon is quite hot from being in that pan.
Dang.
Well, we just want to mix this thoroughly. And hopefully we'll be able to form a patty. I was considering doing this in the waffle iron, but then I said, you know what? I don't feel like doing that right now.
Mm-hmm.
So we're just going to bake these in the toaster oven. You could probably even mash these, but I don't want it to be like unrecognizable.
Yeah,
I
you
still
still
want to
want
be able to
pieces
see
in
the
there.
veggies. Yeah. Alright, so I wet my hands a little bit so that it wouldn't stick. And it's holding together pretty nicely, I
good.
have to say. I think it was a good call to do the potato,
Mm-hmm.
you know, baked, not boiled, so that it's not going to be soggy. And I think we're going to get about 4 patties out of this, hopefully.
Nice.
4 nice-sized patties.
Yeah, these are pretty thick.
They're thickums.
Yeah.
I forgot to put pepper in, but you can always add that at the end.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm going to bake these, I think, at 375 maybe for about 25 to 30 minutes, I think would probably be about right. I mean, we'll see.
We'll get a better idea after. And
Yeah.
we'll let you all know.
Yeah, that's what I think. 375 for 25 to 30 minutes
All
to
right,
start.
we'll see. We'll check back when it's all baked.
Yeah. Wow, look at that.
Wow. It smells really good.
It does smell really, really good. And please be careful, it's hot. It just came out. It came out about 10 minutes ago. Oh, look who's here.
Hi.
The Burgermeister.
Yeah, we'll let Dad get the first.
New York State
First burn.
veggie patty.
Yes.
It is quite warm.
It held together pretty nicely.
Steaming.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That was corn.
Yes. Well, it is veggies. Can you name all the veggies?
Dad's pretty good at that.
Yeah. He's got a good palate.
Yeah.
It's a veggie burger.
Is it good?
As a veggie burger, what would you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10?
That's really hot.
Not too bad, not too bad. So what do you got? Chickpeas?
Well, how would you rate it?
No,
No chickpeas?
there's no funky ingredients, no beans, and no soy.
It's tasty.
Potato,
Potato, yes.
carrot, peas,
Yes.
corn.
Right?
Stop it.
You can't have it. It's got onion.
Onion.
It does remind me of like a Dr. Prager type.
Right.
Right, exactly.
But it's a New York State one.
I think it's good.
It's tasty.
All right.
Put like all the accoutrement on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
It's
Yeah.
gonna be good stuff.
Well, that's what I'm having for dinner tonight.
I think you're gonna enjoy it.
All right.
Thank you all so much for watching. Let us know if
Someone
you can
can't
subscribe.
stop eating it.
Yeah, really. It is quite delicious.
Oh, well, thank you.
Obviously it's not like eating like a regular burger
It's not like a
patty.
Beyond Burger.
No.
No.
It's a veggie
It is what it
burger,
is.
but it's good.
It was born that way.
Yes. So let us know if you're into it. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed.
Let us know if you make your own veggie your own veggie patty for your own state.
Yes. And until next time, much love.